Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for apple crumble. It was very funny. I actually got two different requests from some of my viewers from within the span of 2 weeks for this recipe, or a recipe for apple crumble. I thought that was very funny, and I thought it was a sign that it needed to be made. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 6 to 8 apples, whichever kind you prefer, 1 cup or 125 grams of flour, 1 cup or 200 grams of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, half a teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup or 80 grams of butter. My first step is my least favorite. Peel, core, and slice the apples into small pieces. I'm placing the apple pieces directly into the greased and lined baking dish. I'm using a 10-inch square cake pan, but you could use anything of a similar size. The most common would probably be a 9 by 13-inch pan. Continue until you have cut up all of your apples. Then, in a separate bowl, combine flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt and combine them. I removed a few sugar lumps while combining. Then, cut in the butter. Use your hands to combine properly until the mixture looks like crumbs. That's why it's called crumble. Sprinkle your crumbs over the apple pieces until it's completely covered. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes. This is a very soft dessert, so it's best served with a spoon. I did manage to rip the baking paper in my baking dish while serving it, but luckily I didn't get any in the food. This apple crumble is quite simple, with just a layer of apples and covered with crumbs. It's very fruity and not too sweet, very satisfying. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.